Hello, I'm here to show you how to set a dark mode on Speech Note, which is an excellent program for changing your text into generated speech. This is what you're going to see the first time you run it and use it, but it's possible to change the theme of this program by changing QT5 applications across the board. You want to open a terminal window and type in sudo apt install QT5CT. Now I've already done this, so I'm just going to get out of it. After that, you want to type in sudo xed/etc/environment. The only line you're going to see when you open this is the path line. I've already inserted this line, and this is exactly what you're going to have to type in. Capital letters QT_QPA_platform theme equals lowercase QT5CT. After that, make sure you click this to save the file and go ahead and reboot, and then this will be part of your environment. After you've rebooted, type in QT5CT. Go up here to where it says Style, change this to Fusion. Under Palette, change this over to Custom. And under Color Scheme, change that from Airy to either Darker or Waves. I prefer Waves, but that's just my personal preference. Click Apply and then click OK. Okay, go ahead and load Speech Note, and if you want this change to actually affect Speech Note, you're going to have to click up here and then click Settings. Click User Interface, and then change this from the default setting over to Fusion. Now close this and just close Speech Note. As soon as you restart this, you're going to see the change. That's a lot easier on the eyes. And since, like I said, this affects applications across the board for QT5, notice if I start Qshutdown, I'm going to have the same palette. It's the same for VLC Media Player. Nice. Now my progress bar is not going to burn my retinas while I watch a video. I forgot to mention there's a nice media player called Clementine, which is like the Linux equivalent of MediaMonkey, and changing the QT5 theme to a darker theme affects this program as well. But I'm going to be finding new QT5 programs all the time, and I'm sure you will too. That's all this video is just to tell you how to change it over to a dark theme. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.